like my video and subscribe my channel. Let's start our video. Go to the Canva. This is the Canva home page and click on videos. This is our canvas. You have to upload your video from your laptop or computer, from your library like this. If you have a video like, you can upload from here. I have selected a video from elements already, so I will select this video. This is a vlog video and I will show you how you can edit your vlog video in this way. First of all, select the video, then click on add the scene in the as a first scene and last scene. These are the two blank scene I have added with my video. For the first scene, I will go to design and search for a video. I will select this one. You can select anyone if you like. I will edit this video template for my first scene of my video. First of all, I will change the text, color and statement like my first vlog. Now I will change the font and color of the text. I will use this color, green. This is my brand color, that's why I am using this. This one should be black and the shape color also will be green. Now I want to put my logo over there, so I will select my logo from upload files. This is my logo I will use here. It is not looking good in this square shape, so I will go to elements and select frame, the rounded frame, and drag my logo to this frame. So it's looking good. Adjust it and delete these props and text. I will put it here and give animation of to it like this. Now I delete all the things which I don't need. I will also change the color of this shape and change the text. Change the color of the text. If you want to change the font of the, you can also go to change the font. You can take font of your choice. adjust it like this, whatever you want. Now I want to replace this video with my own video, so I will replace it. Delete only video, frame is here, and go to your video, this one, drag this video here, double click on it and adjust the position of the video like this, and reduce the time of this scene up to 2 or 3 seconds, 2.7. Now check the animation. If it's okay, then you don't need to edit the animation. If you don't like, then you can adjust accordingly. Now between these two scenes you can add a transition. I will use flow, match and move, slack. I will use color vibe. Okay, now you can change the color as well. I want to add this color and add this color. So you can change the direction as well, like this, whatever you want. Duration, you can change the duration from here to up to 1.5 seconds. I will use up to 1, and now the time is at the last scene. From the last scene, for the last scene, I will go to design and select the end screen. This one I have already selected. You can select it of your own choice. I will change the color to this, and I will delete this. Ungroup this, and I don't need this video. Delete this video, and I remain this frame here and go to the first scene, and I will select duplicate my logo and put in this scene like this, and put this, drag my it's already with the frame, so I delete this frame and adjust my logo over there. So further I don't need to change anything. It's pretty good. And add the transition between the last scene and my video scene. This is the last scene, and it's pretty much good to use circle vibe and increase the duration. Okay, now the main scene of there, I want to put my logo here, so I go to my first scene and duplicate my logo, put this here at the bottom, and I want to add the shape and the text with this logo. So I go to element and go for shape, rectangle. Select this shape, round the corner, increase the size, change the color to green, put it in back layer, send backward, adjust with the logo like this, and put the text over there. Learn smart. change the font. Now I will animate it to the left and left and this shape left. Okay, now the time to show the timing of these props. Show timing, I will click the show time like learn smart. I want the logo first from here. After the then shape, it should come from after the logo, and then text. Now we can see the final result. Before final result, we should add some music. Go to elements, search audio or background sound of your own choice. I will select this one and adjust the volume up to 9. Okay, now we can see the final results of our. This is our final result. If you want that these shape and logo disappear after some time, then you can go to here in the shape and reduce the time like this. Up to this. Now you can see that it will disappear after some time. This is our today's tutorial. Hope you will like my video. If you like my video, then share and like my video and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz till my next video. Thank you.